anything she can catch. As a large troop, these baboons are relatively safe, but this dried-up riverbed offers many places for hungry cats to hide. One of the lioness's older cubs has started accompanying his mother. He instinctively knows to lie low, to watch and wait. The lioness is patient. She must let the prey come to her. The juvenile marries. Its wrong move is its last. And in response to the alarm calls, the baboons run for their lives. For the victim, the warnings have come too His older cub knows he can join his mother, but she will share the meal with him. This lioness has managed to provide food for her family against the odds. Lions are opportunists. When they're hungry, they'll set their sights to unusual prey. Perhaps this young male will copy his mother and hunt baboons too when he leaves the pride. Predators may kill a few baboons, but they have little effect on the monkey population. That is, as long as they can find safe places to sleep. This evening, a palm grove provides sanctuary.